Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Adidas affiliate program. First, you need to search for Adidas affiliate program, and the first one is the website where we can sign up for the affiliate program. Now from here you just need to click on apply now. Here in this article you will find a link, apply now. Simply click on it, and I have a ad blocker here, and then you just need to click on sign up here. First read the instruction here, that then simply click on sign up. Now here is the contact terms for Adidas, and it's so long. You can find out so many terms for this affiliate program. You just need to go to the bottom and you will find accept button. After accepting the terms, you can now sign up with your email, your Google account, your Apple account, your Twitter account, Facebook account, whatever you want. After signing in with your all of this account, I'm going to use my Google account from here. So I'm going to click on Google here, and it will redirect me to the sign in page, and where I can choose my Google account and simply click on continue to add your Google account as a sign up credential. Now you have to complete this form for your sign up, like your first name, your last name, your email address, and your mobile number. Then simply click on these two boxes here. Then simply click on get started button here. Then you will go through a verification process. They will send a verification code through your mobile number, and when you get the code, you simply paste it here or type it here and click on verify button. Then you will find this type of page where you just need to explain how would you categorize your business. Select one of these, or you can select multiple options from here, like email, newsletter, search comparison, network, technology solutions, cross audience monetization. This is the details about your source, like content and reviews. I'm going to select it and click on continue, and now I need to choose the method that I will use to promote Adidas products. So I'm going to promote their product through the website, so I'm going to select it, and from here I can add my website through Google Analytics, and also I can uh, add this manually. Also there is many options available, like social media, mobile app, podcast, newsletter, anything. You can go with email or newsletter, where you just need to enter the name of your newsletter, then description, sender email address, mailing list size, and another some important necessary informations. But I'm going with my website here. I just need to enter the website URL and the name, and you can see this is now added in the website section. Whenever you see it that your website is now connected, you can go for the next step. So by clicking on continue, you will go to the next step, where you just need to tell them about yourself, like I am or an individual or company. I'm going to select individual. Then you have to enter the account display name, country, region, mailing address, and the time zone. You just need to select the time zone and currency. After completing this form, you just need to simply click on submit button. Then after completing the form, you can see I have just accessed my account's dashboard, where I can control and get the whole overview about the affiliate program of Adidas. Yeah, from here I just need to complete my profile, but this is my main dashboard of my account that I have signed up for the affiliate program of Adidas, and from here I can get an overview and manage my affiliate program with Adidas. That's how you can sign up for Adidas affiliate program easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.